So if anybody like to improve their health and wellness, feel younger, look younger, they should attend my Hypno Youth and Beauty class. I will share how to use hypnosis to reprogram our subconscious mind to repair, regenerate, rejuvenate our body, our organs, and our cells. When stimulate and our facial muscles and reprogram our subconscious mind. So sometimes our puffness and eye bags will reduce too. And our facial muscles tightening, right? And it will improve overall health and awareness being. For me, attending the NGH conventions, not just for professional growth and learning, right? I had a pleasant and enjoyable experience for many years. And because it's a relaxed, friendly environment, I got reconnected with friends and colleagues I have met in previous conventions. And we share experience and stories, some success stories, some challenges, right? And engage in conversation with fellow professionals can be both enriching and inspiring. So as we exchange insights, learn from each other's journeys, and offer support and encouragement. And by immersing yourself in the educational sessions, networking opportunities can reach, and the resources available, you can make the most of your time at the convention while still enjoy the friendly and relaxed atmosphere.